How to fix 100% disk uses Windows 11. So let's get started. The way one is to restart your system. You know from experience that restarting your machine can often resolve all kind of issues. Your Windows 10 100% disk uses problem is no exception. While taking this route may not help you find out the underlying reasons for the problem, if it goes away, they may be sufficient for you. So basically, the reason why we recommend doing a restart is because these programs and processes can get stalled at some point. Rebooting your system can be enough to return them to working state. Now, the other method is to update Windows. Open Start and simply click on the Settings option available there. Then click on the Update and Security. Then click Check for Updates. Wait for the updates to download and install. This may improve the overall performance of your system, including that of your hard drive. Now, the other way is to disable automatic startup. Right click Start and open the Task Manager. Then simply click on the Startup tab. Look at the programs that you don't want to run at startup. Right click each one and click Disable and reboot your computer and review. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.